You can build a business that makes money without ever showing your face, using your real name, or being on camera once. This is the exact step-by-step, and step 1 is the one everyone gets wrong. 5 steps. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do Monday morning, the free tools that run each step, and the mistake that keeps faceless businesses stuck at 0. No theory, no fluff. Let's start, and step 1 is a decision, not a tool. Step 1. Pick a painfully specific person to serve. Not small businesses, that's everyone and no one. Local dentists, plumbers without a website, coaches who hate editing video. The narrower the better, because a specific person has a specific problem you can solve and a specific place you can find them. This single choice decides whether the next 4 steps work. Most people skip it and stay invisible. If that feels too small, good. Too small is exactly where there's no competition and the customer feels you actually understand them. Step 2 turns that choice into something you can sell. Step 2. Pick one result they'll pay for and turn it into an offer. Not AI services. Nobody buys that. A month of Instagram posts for your clinic. A website live in 3 days. Your long videos cut into 10 shorts. One clear result, one clear price. AI lets you deliver it in an afternoon, but the customer is buying the outcome, not the hours. Sell the outcome. Step 3. Build a delivery system once so you never start from scratch. This is the faceless advantage. You take the AI prompts and steps that produce your result and you save them as a repeatable template, a checklist plus the exact prompts. The first one takes a day, the 10th takes an hour. You're not freelancing anymore, you're running a tiny factory that turns out the same result on demand. Now here's where faceless businesses actually die. Not in the delivery. People obsess over making the product perfect. They die in step 4 because nobody ever sees it. Step 4. Get in front of your person, without a face. You don't need a personal brand. You need a free sample and a message. Make one real result for a specific business, for free. Then send a short, no-pressure message. I made this for you. Want it? 10 messages, 2 replies, 1 paying customer. Or post the results themselves as faceless content, screen recordings, before and afters, no camera required. The work is the face. Once that works even once, step 5 is what turns a side hustle into a real, sellable business. And it's the part almost nobody reaches. Step 5. Remove yourself and scale. You take your template and you hand the repetitive parts to automation or a cheap assistant, while you keep the 1 or 2 steps only you do well. Now the business produces results whether you're working or not. That's a real asset, one you could even sell one day. Faceless from the start means it was never about you, so it doesn't fall apart when you step back. Let me be straight with you, because most won't be. This isn't instant. Week 1 is quiet. Your first samples won't be perfect, and some messages get ignored. But every step here costs $0, and the skill underneath, turning AI into a result a real person pays for, is the most valuable thing you can build this decade. So the one move that matters most, today. Don't open a tool. Write down one specific person and one result you'd sell them. One line. The person who writes that line is months ahead of the person still researching tools. That's the whole map. Pick the person. Pick the result. Build the system once. Lead with a free sample. Then remove yourself. 5 steps, 0 budget, no face. If you want the prompts that power steps 2 and 3, I made a video with 5 ChatGPT prompts that actually make money. Word for word, linked right here. Subscribe for the next step-by-step and tell me the one customer you'd start with. I'll point you in the right direction. See you in the next one. This video is for education, not financial advice.